Hello there. So, welcome to Visa Pathfinder channel, and we're glad to have you. If you're new here, we're glad to have you as we discuss how you can migrate to the world main economies, including the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the European Union, among other countries. Centered around study and work. If that interests you, so please feel free to like and share our videos, and also hit the subscribe button so you can have all our new videos come straight to your gadget. Thank you very much. To all our returning subscribers, we're very grateful for being there always. Thank you very much and glad to see you again. So today, what are we discussing? So today, we will be discussing the latest jobs that we got in the engineering, the tech, and the construction field. So the latest jobs in those fields. And the first of those is the information technology, the IT support analyst, and that is in Mississauga in Ontario. And that is the job where they're looking to fill a vacancy as soon as possible. And they're looking at someone that has got a diploma as well as a 1 year experience. You're able to communicate electronically and also in person with computer users experiencing difficulties to determine and document problems experience. So this is kind of a summary, around this job. You would also be doing things around collecting, organizing, and maintaining a problem and solution log for use by other technical support analysts. So basically, if you're looking to apply to this job, do that as soon as possible, and the deadline is just stated there as the 16th. So next up is the web developer. So this role is also in Mississauga, and there are two vacancies to fill as soon as possible. So they're looking at someone that has got a high school grad certificate, also with some 7 months minimum experience. So you would be preparing things around some mock-ups and storyboards, as well as creating and optimizing content for website using a variety of graphics, database, animation, as well as other software. So you would also conduct tests and perform security and quality checks. So these are things around what you will be doing, so you can look at all the other details, and also the working condition. Really, the condition really require that you work under pressure, and they got very tight deadlines in the job. So they need someone that is really very pretty organized. So that's the email and the deadline to apply. Wellington, Ontario is our next stop, and that is the job database administrator. And that job is one vacancy to be filled as soon as possible. With a bachelor's degree, they're looking at 2 years minimum experience. So you would probably be doing things around data science and collecting, documenting users' requirement, among others, doing some form of developing policies and procedures for network access and usage, as well as for backup and recovery of data. So mainly you would be applying to this job here, and you got this email and deadline to apply. And next is the software developer, and that's in Richmond, Ontario. So this is a role they're looking to fill as soon as they can, and also 1 year experience. Those are the responsibilities. You should have experience. They're looking at someone with experience in Java, HTML database software, Mac, JavaScript, among others. So that's the email and the deadline. So next is a user support technician, and in that is in Woodbridge, Ontario. So you got 14 roles to be filled. So, and for this one, we got a bachelor's degree requirement and 2 years work experience. So they're looking at someone working around the telecommunication industry. So it is a telecom industry job, and you got a lot around network software, you got a lot around the networking software, hardware, and security. So you should be applying to this job as soon as you can, and that's the email and the deadline. Software developer in Mississauga, still two vacancies. 7 month minimum experience, high school grad, those are the responsibilities. Additional information there, and that's the email and deadline right there. Software engineer, so that's in Scarborough in Ontario. And the role to be filled is a bachelor's degree, 2 years work experience. So those are the tasks in the role, and that's the application information right there. So software developer, that's in Toronto in Ontario. So 1 year experience, responsibilities there, your experience and specialization, personal suitability, the email and deadline there. So next up is the computer engineer. So for this role in Mississauga in Ontario, the role is a bachelor's degree, 1 year experience, and the responsibilities stated. And you got and those are the personal suitability for the job, and that's the deadline and the email to apply to. So land survey technician, so that's in Ontario. So they're looking at someone with a minimum 2 year work experience, and those are the responsibilities in the job. And the computer and technology knowledge. So AutoCAD, Microsoft, among others there, as well as the personal suitability. So and you should be applying to this email and the deadline there. So mechanical engineering technician, so that's in Edmonton in Alberta. So minimum 1 year experience. Those are the responsibilities in the job and additional information. Be applying to this email and deadline. So finally, the construction technician. So in this, the job is in Brampton in Ontario. So and looking at the 1 year experience and responsibilities, those are the responsibilities in the job. And you should be applying by this deadline. And that's the email. That's the email to apply to. This brings us to the end of this video today. Thank you very much for your rapt attention. So please like and share our videos, and always hit the notification button for the new videos that are coming through straight away. If you have any questions, you can always leave your comment in the comment box and the comment section, as well as if you got any personalized help or support that you do need, then email us over visitpathfinders@gmail.com. Thank you very much for being there, and see you some other time. Thank you, and bye bye.